What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Freak by Doja Cat, and this will be a very quick guitar tutorial on the song. And firstly, no keyboard stand tuning, and the reason I'm just going to show you super fast because we have the same thing going throughout the whole song, which makes it super easy. So let's have a look at the chords firstly. G major 3-2, open 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 3. E minor 0-2-2 0-0-0. And now we pause the video, have a look at the chord shapes, figure out what all fingers you can actually put to make that super easy. A minor 7, which is mute, open, second, open, first, open. And D dominant 7, which is mute, mute, open, second, first, second. I just add another note, it would be a diminished chord, but never mind, this is a D7. That's it, and this is a pretty common chord shape. Now, unlike my other lessons, I'm not going to show you the structure for this song because we have that one thing going throughout the whole song: verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. That's basically the structure. Now have a look at the rhythm, which is most important for the song. So we start off playing. So just hold that G major chord right now, and we're just gonna do all our down right now. No ups for this lesson. So we're gonna do downs. So we have. So the count will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now on the 1, 2, 3 and the 2, 3, I actually do down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass note, the E string, A string, D string, not the G, B and the high string, omitting those. Now you see 1, 2, 3, but after that there should be 1, 2, 3. But when I say 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, you see there's an odd. It's my mistake, but it's actually helping you guys. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 means that on the 2 we have the beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But you can actually say 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and that will be like more easier to remember that in your head. So we got 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So on that 2, we're supposed to be 4 or maybe 1. What do you think? But that has the accent. Like on that beat, we're just gonna emphasize. So we're just gonna do a down on that beat. So 1, 2, 3, down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just go on with that. That's basically everything. The chord progression will be a G major, then a E minor, then a A minor 7, then a D dominant 7. And we're just gonna apply the string pattern once for each chord, and that will be done for the whole song. So that's it, and I'm just gonna play it a couple of more times so that it will be crystal clear for you guys. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop me one of these if this helps you out, and please make sure to subscribe because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video. Till then, bye.